Hello everyone, my name is Siddhi Prashant Bandodkar and I'm a first year BMS student studying at Gomantak Ayurveda Mahavidyalaya, Shiroda, Goa. So my topic is Oushadha, the three main pillars of Ayurvedic treatment. Ayurveda, the ancient system of Indian medicine, has a very holistic approach towards healing. It doesn't just focus on physical health, but it also considers mind and our social and spiritual well being. So, today I'll be talking about Oushadha, or the three main pillars of Ayurvedic treatment that form the foundation of this system. So, these three therapeutic methods include Daiva Vyapashraya Chikitsa, which is spiritual therapy, Yukti Vyapashraya Chikitsa, which is logical therapy, and Sattva Vajay Chikitsa, that is mental strength therapy. So, all these three therapies they offer a holistic healing framework that addresses physical, mental, and spiritual well being. Trivida Oushadha, the three types of treatment. Trividam Oushadhamiti, Daiva Vyapashraya, Yukti Vyapashrayam, Sattva Vajayascha, Tatra Daiva Vyapashrayam, Banatraushadi, Mani Mangala, Bali Upahara, Homa Niyama, Prayashita Upavasa, Sattva Saira, Pranipata, Gamanadi, Yukti Vyapashrayam, पुनराहार औषध द्रव्याणा योजना सत्वावजय पुनरहितेभ्यो अर्थेभ्यो मनोनिग्रह. So first we have Daiva Vyapashraya Chikitsa, that is spiritual therapy. So this approach is based on faith, spirituality and divine intervention. It is used primarily for treating diseases which are caused by unseen forces, past karmas, planetary influences or supernatural elements. So Ayurveda acknowledges that certain elements arise due to imbalances beyond human control and they require spiritual healing practices rather than scientific or logical therapies. So these are the key components of Daiva Vyapashraya Chikitsa. Mantra, sacred chants and hymns. Oushadha, sacred herbs and medicines. Mangala, auspicious rituals and pujas. Bali, that is offerings and sacrifices. Upavas, that is fasting. And Swasthayana, which are prayers and ritualistic blessings for well-being. Mantra or sacred hymns and chants. Recitation of Vedic hymns and mantras help us to invoke the divine energy within us. It is used to dispel negative influences and harmonize the body and mind. Common examples include the Mahamrityunjaya mantra for healing and the Gayatri mantra for mental clarity. Oushadha, sacred herbs and medicines. So, special herbs consecrated and charged with mantras are believed to enhance our positive vibrations, having both medicinal and spiritual properties and promoting overall well being. First is Tulsi, which is also called as holy basil. It purifies the aura and it strengthens immunity. Ashwagandha reduces stress and it balances our energy. Brahmi helps to boost memory, mental clarity, and meditation focus. It is also used in rituals and meditation, and these herbs foster holistic healing and spiritual harmony. Bali, often known as offerings and sacrifices. So, Bali refers to sacred offerings which are made to deities, nature spirits, and ancestral beings to restore cosmic balance and express gratitude. So, these symbolic offerings include flowers, food, grains, and clarified butter or ghee. Such rituals seek blessings and they remove negative influences. Traditionally, it is performed in temples, at homes, and also at sacred sites. Upavas or fasting. It is a sacred practice which is aimed at cleansing the body and purifying the mind. It enhances spiritual discipline, it promotes self control, and removes toxins from our body. Specific fasting rituals like Ekadashi are believed to accelerate healing, balance energies, and strengthen devotion. So, by abstaining from food or consuming sattvic, that is pure meal, practitioners cultivate mental clarity and inner peace and also spiritual growth. Swasthayana, that is ritual blessings for well-being, chanting prayers for overall health, prosperity, and protection from diseases. Conducting homas, that are fire rituals, also help to neutralize the negative karma. So, applications of Daiva Vyapashraya Chikitsa. It is effective in treating unknown and mysterious illnesses. It is used for mental disorders which are caused by past life karmic imbalances, and it is applied in conditions where logical medical treatment has limited results. Next, we have Yukti Vyapashraya Chikitsa, which is logical or scientific therapy. So, this is the most systematic and rational approach in Ayurveda. It focuses on cause and effect relationship. It is based on Yukti. So, Yukti means reasoning or evidence based treatment. So, it addresses the imbalances in doshas, that is Vata dosh, Pitta dosh, and Kapha dosh, the dhatus, that is our body tissues, and malas or the waste products. So the key components of Yukti Vyapashraya Chikitsa is Ahar, that is dietary management and nutrition therapy, Vihar, that is lifestyle modifications, Oushadha, that is herbal and medicinal treatments, and Panchakarma, that is detoxification and rejuvenation therapies. Ahar, dietary management and nutrition therapy. Food plays a vital role in balancing the three doshas. Diet is customized based on Prakriti, that is body constitution, and Vikriti, which is imbalance. Vat dosh. For example, if someone has a Vat imbalance, that person must consume warm, oily, and nourishing foods like ghee, milk, and nuts. Pith dosh. Similarly, if a person has pith imbalance, which means there is too much heat in the body, then that person must consume cooling foods like coconut, cucumber, and dairy. And for somebody who has kapha imbalance, that person must try consuming light, dry, and warming foods like honey, ginger, and barley. Vihar or lifestyle modifications. Ayurveda emphasizes on dinacharya, that is daily routine, which means waking up on time, brushing your teeth, cleaning yourself, exercising, having bath, etc. And ritucharya, which is seasonal regimen for health maintenance. Proper sleep patterns, meditation, yoga, and exercises are also encouraged. Oushadha, herbal and medicinal treatments. So, Ayurveda uses thousands of herbal medicines and formulations. Uh, First, we have Kashaya, decoctions, which are used for digestion and detoxification. Churna or herbal powders like Triphala powder, which is very good for digestion. Bhasma, calcined minerals and metals. So, these are Rasa Shastra based medicines like Swarna Bhasma, that is gold ash. Next, we have Panchakarma, that is a detoxification therapy. It is a 5 step purification therapy which cleanses toxins. First is Vaman, that is induced vomiting for kapha disorders. Virechan, that is purgation therapy. It cleanses excess pitta through herbal laxatives. Third is Basti, which is medicated anima. It is helpful for treating Vata related disorders with herbal oils. Fourth is Nasya, that is nasal therapy. This clears toxins from the head region. And fifth is Rakta Mokshan, that is bloodletting therapy, which purifies blood. Applications of Yukti Vyapashraya Chikitsa. It is effective in treating digestive disorders, chronic diseases, and metabolic syndromes, and it is used for detoxification, rejuvenation, and improving immunity. Sattva Vajay Chikitsa or mental strength therapy. So now we come to an important but often overlooked aspect, that is mental health. So this therapy is focused on mental, emotional, and psychological well-being. Ayurveda believes that the mind, that is also called as sattva, plays a crucial role in health, and a strong mind can help overcome diseases. Key components of Sattva Vajay Chikitsa: Dhairya, that is patience, willpower, and mental resilience; Atma Gyan, that is self realization and spiritual awareness; which are that is rational thinking and counseling, Sadvritta, which is ethical and moral conduct, and fifth is yoga and meditation. So, there your patience. When we are faced with stress, anxiety, and depression, we need to strengthen our mind to deal with it, and a strong mindset often helps in healing faster. It also helps in encouraging emotional stability through self discipline. Next is Atma Gyan, that is self realization and spiritual awareness. So, understanding the deeper purpose of life and aligning with Dharma. Practices like mindfulness and self inquiry are used to gain clarity. Vichar or rational thinking and counseling. Cognitive reframing and positive thinking is very important to remove negative thoughts and negative emotions as well. Traditional counseling techniques also help in the same. Sadvritta, ethical and moral conduct, leading a virtuous life following truthfulness, compassion, and discipline. Ethics and morality help prevent psychosomatic diseases. Yoga and meditation, pranayam, that is breath control, and dhyan, that is meditation for calming the mind. Asanas or yoga postures like Padmasana and Shavasana are very helpful for relaxing the body. Applications of Sattva Vijay Chikitsa. It helps in treating mental disorders, stress, and emotional imbalances. It is used in anxiety, depression, and addiction management as well.